Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another Python package which will actually fix invalid emails. It will give you it will validate whether a email address that you written is valid or not, and it will show you a valid or invalid message. So as soon as I write this script here, you will see run this script. It will check this email address. As you can see, it's not a valid email. The syntax is not right. So now it returns this is a invalid email. So very simple script. If I fix this, let's suppose I fix this email address, now it's valid. So once again I run the Python script, you will see now it is showing that it's a valid email. So for this you just need a third-party package. You just need to install this package, pip install validators. So this is the name of the package. So simply install this command and install this package. So after installing it, it's very easy. So you first of all import this package, import validators. So at the very top, and then you declare whatever email address that you're working right here. So after that, you write your email address inside the variable, and now we can actually call this validators, and it contains this function which is email, and here you actually pass your email address, and it returns either true or false. So if it returns true, then in that case you will simply say it's a valid email, and if it returns false, then in that the else case we will simply print out that it's a invalid email. So very simple Python script. It imports the package, then it declares the email address, then it checks in this if condition. If the email is valid, then we simply say valid email. If the email is not valid, then we say invalid email. So as soon as I execute this now, python app.py, so you will see it's a valid email. So if I make some mistake here in the syntax, if I write here @ symbol once again, so now you will see it changes to invalid email. So in this way guys, you can validate your email addresses while developing Python application. Simply install this package, and you can easily do the validation of email. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.